Hi, Christy here at Oeveo, and we're excited to introduce the easiest way to tame the cable catastrophe under your desk with our dedicated product line of cable management sleeves. Our cable management sleeves are split down the entire length to allow easy access for cords that need to enter and exit at different sections. There is a 25% overlap of the edges, which allows for various amounts or sizes of cables to be held with a snug fit, and they come in a variety of lengths to fit the needs of any home or office. The braided cable sleeve is flexible enough for making tight bends without the edges coming open, plus it's tough enough to last. Use cable management sleeves to run the bundle of cords under your desk to the nearest wall outlet in an organized and aesthetically pleasing result, because let's face it, no one wants their desk looking like a cable mess. At Oeveo, we design up. Thanks for watching. For more product information and made in the USA innovation from Oeveo, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out Oeveo.com. We will see you next time.